Hello, this is Dr. Susan Sarajari from Dominion Fertility. Thank you so much for joining me here today. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about if you have to travel during your IVF cycle. As we certainly don't encourage you traveling during the IVF cycle, as we need you here for monitoring and all the procedures, but we do understand if you need to travel for business or a family emergency. And I just wanted to address this really quickly and give you a few tips. Most importantly, I would say, is when you plan on traveling, make sure you inform your fertility team right away. Let them know where you're going and for what period of time you're going. Most of the time, when you travel for a prolonged period of time, we can actually send orders to a local fertility clinic at your destination, and they can monitor you for us. And another important point is that you want to make sure you take enough medications with you, and also factor in that we might increase your medications while you go through the IVF cycle, so take a little bit extra. Also let your pharmacy know that you're going to be traveling, and a lot of times your pharmacy will be able to send the medication directly overnight to your destination. If you travel by air, we will be able to provide you with a travel letter which states what medications you need to take and that you need to take the injections with you and so forth, which might be very helpful. Remember that a lot of the medication we give you for fertility treatments need to be refrigerated, so it would be a good idea to travel with a cooler and maybe ice packs to keep the medications at the right temperature. If you travel by air, keep your medications with you in the carry-on luggage rather than checking it in, because as you know, planes might be delayed or suitcases can be lost, so you want to make sure you have your medications with you at all times so you can take it at the right time. Lastly, once you arrive at your destination, and if you have a refrigerator available, also check the refrigerator, make sure the temperature is right so it doesn't freeze your medications or keep the medication too warm. Take your insurance card with you just in case you need it, and also the contact information for Dominion Fertility. So these are just a few tips. I hope this is helpful. Freedom Fertility Pharmacy has a nice little booklet here. It's called Planes, Trains, and Injections, and it reiterates a lot of the points that I mentioned here today. Thanks for joining me. I'm Dr. Susan Sarajari from Dominion Fertility.
Dominion Fertility, making miracles happen, one family at a time.